It's your boy Daryl back with another video. And today we got something special for you, an authentic Peruvian dish called Arroz con Pollo, or as we say in America, Peruvian chicken and rice. It's delicious, it's delicate, and you can cook it all in one pot. Hope you guys enjoy. Cheers. Okay, so for our Peruvian chicken and rice dish, we're going to be using chicken drumsticks. Now you can use thighs, breasts, whatever, but for the purpose of our dish, we're going to use the drumsticks. All right, first we're going to add a little bit of corn oil to our pan. Just maybe 1 or 2 tablespoons. And now we're going to start adding our chicken. Now salt and pepper. Okay, you guys, so we're not trying to cook the chicken right now. All we're trying to do is get a nice sear on the outside. Remember, no color, no flavor. All right, so first we're going to add our red pepper. All right. Okay, now as you can see, we removed our pan from the high fire to the low heat because now, as we cook everything else, we want to be able to control it nice and steady. So we have our red peppers. Now we're going to have our diced red onion. It's 1/2 an onion. Oh, it smells so good. Three cloves of minced garlic. Now we're going to add 1 cup of frozen peas. Frozen peas are perfectly fine. Two tablespoons of yellow panca paste, 1 tablespoon of red panca paste, and 2 cups of rice. Now we're going to stir. Now we're going to add 2 cups of our cilantro puree. Basically just cilantro blitzed with water. And we're going to use 2 cups of dark stout beer. Since we don't have a traditional Peruvian dark beer, we're using Modelo Negro. Our last step, we're going to add our chicken drumsticks. Oh, the smell in here is amazing. This is going to be amazing. So we're going to let this cook for about 20 minutes. We're going to come back and check it. And from there, we'll determine how much more cook time we'll need. First, let it cook for at least 20 minutes. Alright, so here's a trick, you guys. If you see that your dish is starting to dry out a little bit, what you can do is you can take 1 chicken bouillon cube and add it to some warm water and just pour it in there. It will add flavor and more liquid to it. All right, we're gonna check our chicken because our rice is done. And oh yeah, this is finished. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells amazing. Let's go inside and let's try this out. Oh, look at that chicken. Cooked perfect. Delicious. That's it. I'm officially on Peruvian now. Amazing. I love this rice. So good. Oh, you're back. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, we did a nice, delicate Arroz con Pollo, Peruvian chicken rice. Please, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, give us ideas for recipes that you love to do, and always, salud. Whew. I drunk too much today. Happy New Year's. All right, so our first step, now that our pan is nice and hot, we're gonna add just a little bit of corn oil. All right, and now we're gonna start adding our drumsticks. Cut. And now we're gonna start adding our drumsticks. If you're using any type of other chicken, you wanna make sure that you go skin side first. Our pan is super hot. Oh! I told you.